Thank you for joining in. Thank you so much. So today we'll be solving algebraic fraction. S squared plus ax minus 2a squared over 3a squared minus 2ax minus s squared. So how do we solve this? Let's factorize the numerator and the denominator. Factorize the numerator and the denominator. So we first factorize the numerator and the denominator. So the numerator, s squared plus, what two numbers can we add or subtract to have ax? What two numbers? The two numbers I have is 2ax minus ax, because 2 minus 1 is 1. You know that your ax is 1. So 2as minus as is this. So we'll factorize it this way. We'll bring down this over. Let's factorize the denominator. When you're factorizing, most time is the center number. What you have in the middle of the equation or in the middle of the fraction is what you have to expand. So now we have 3a squared, 3a squared. What two numbers can we add or subtract to have minus 2as? The two numbers I have is minus 3ax plus ax. You always have to think of, because now, why did I say minus 3as plus ax? That's because minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus this. So that is how we've done that. Now we'll bring down our s squared. Now let's group them. X times x is this plus 2a, because x times 2a is 2ax minus a. What do they have in common? A is what they have in common. So that's what you always use. What do they have in common? There's x here, there's x here, so we have to use x to multiply. What does these two numbers have in common? A. So we use a. So now we have x plus 2. Whatever you have here, you should have in your second bracket. So always calculate and be sure you're doing the right thing. X times x, s squared, s times 2a, 2ax minus, what do they have in common? A. So a times x, ax, a times 2a, 2a squared. So now we have this for the numerator. What of the denominator? What do they have in common? What does these two numbers have? They have 3a in common. They have 3. There's 3a here, there's 3 here. So 3a be a minus x. 3 times a, 3a squared. 3 times x, 3ax. Plus, what do they have in common? X. What you have here, you should have here. A minus x. X times a, ax. X times x, s squared. So now, we'll bring them out this way. X minus a, s plus 2a, s plus 2a, they are the same thing. Your bracket, what you have in the first bracket should be the same thing as in the second bracket. So x plus 2a, x plus 2a, sorry for that, x plus 2a. So we just got x minus a, s plus 2a over 3a plus x, 3a plus x, a minus x, a minus x. So a minus x is the same thing as a, x minus a, same thing as a minus x. So we just cancel out. We cancel it out. And what do we have left? We have x plus 2a over 3a plus x. So this is the answer. This is the answer to this equation. This is the answer to this equation. S plus 2a and 3a plus x. If you don't understand this, please try to go through it again to understand it. Thank you for watching.